2-liter Coca-Cola. I hate to do this because this is somebody else's drink, but pouring this in the toilet. But I want to experience this for myself to see if this really works, if this really clean water stains, hard water stains in the toilet. So we are going to dump this in. All right, and there we go. Okay, we are going to leave this in for an hour. I'm just going to leave it an hour. And then we're going to come back and see if this Coca-Cola actually cleans all that hard water stains that is in the toilet. So we'll be back here in 1 hour. Alright friends, so it's been 1 hour 30 minutes. That's how long I just left it, and we are just going to see how this is. As you can see, it looks, I don't know what's happening underneath, but you can see some bubbles coming in and out. Some bubbles form on the side here. So I am just going to do a little scraping. Let's see if this has done anything. Okay, and you're just going to flush this out. And I'm going to flush this one more time.